Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading the newspaper article. My purpose in improving my knowledge and English only nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our first article. What is the controversy over the Bodh Gaya temple? The why are Buddhist monks protesting near the Bodh Gaya's Bodhi Vihara? What does the Bodh Gaya Temple Act BTA 1949 entail? When was a Hindu temple established? Hijia Ussalam. The story so far. Beginning February, nearly 100 Buddhist monks under the All India Buddhist Forum AIBF have been protesting. First at the Bodh Gaya Mahabodhi Temple or Mahavihara, and later a little down the road, demanding a repeal of the Bodh Gaya Temple Act BTA 1949. The AIBF has support from prominent Buddhist bodies and has submitted a memorandum to the Bihar government. The Bodh Gaya is one of the four sacred sites of Buddhism, the other three being Buddha's birthplace, Lumini, Sarnath, where he gave his first sermon, and Kushinagar, where he attended Parinirvana. Have there been protests before? In November 2023, Buddhist monks held a rally in Gaya and submitting a memorandum to the central and state government. As it failed to have the desired effect, the monks scaled up the protest and held a rally in Patna last year to press for repealing the act. Back in 2012, monks had filed a writ petition before the Supreme Court to repeal the act. The petition is yet to be heard. What is the act? The BTA established an 8-member management committee having equal number of Buddhist and Hindu. The act made the local district magistrate and ex officio chairman of the committee. As the district magistrate hailed from the majority community, it translated to a Hindu majority on the committee, something which was resented by Buddhist bodies. Ever since then, various Buddhist bodies have been raising their voice intermittently for gaining autonomy over the Bodh Gaya temple, which they call the Bodh Gaya Mahavihara. Why do the annals say? Noted poet Edwin Arnold, in his well-known poem The Light of Asia, talk about Gautam Siddhartha's enlightenment under the Bodhi tree. Bodh Gaya was then described as the Mecca of Buddhism, and in many ways popularized Buddhism in the West. However, Bodh Gaya's claim to fame goes much further back in time. In the 3rd century, Mauryan Emperor Ashoka worshipped the Bodhi tree and built the temple there. From the time of Ashoka to the Pala, the Bodhi temple continued to be a Buddhist place of worship and a site of pilgrimage. Chinese traveler Huan Tisang visited it in 1629 AD during the reigns of Harshvardhana. Incidentally, Huan Tisang called it a Buddhist site and is said to have found only Buddhist relics. Here has saved for a statue of Avalokiteshvara Avalokiteshvara. Things changed with the invasions of Bhaktiyar Khilji in the 30th century. The invasion ended the Pala rule and thus began the decline of Buddhism. During Akbar's reign in 1590, a Hindu monk established the Bodh Gaya Mutt. With this temple lapsed into the hands of the Hindu community following independence, the Bihar Assembly passed the BTA in 1949 and control of the temple was transferred from the Hindu head to the new management committee. How was the government intervened? The BTA was passed by the Bihar government to resolve a festering dispute between the Buddhist and Hindu heads of the Mahabodhi temple for control over the same. The Buddhist side was unhappy at the stipulation that the district magistrate, who was the ex officio chairman, could only assume leadership if he was from the Hindu community. It changed in 2013 after the state government amended the rule and inserted a provision for the ex officio chairman to be of any faith. In the early 1990s, the Chief Minister of Bihar, Lalu Prasad Yadav, drafted the Bodh Gaya Mahavihara bill to replace the BTA. It was supposed to hand over the management of the temple to the Buddhist committee. The bill prohibited idol impressions near the temple and Hindu marriage inside the temple. However, the bill went into cold storage. The BTA established an 8-member management committee having equal number of Buddhist and Hindu. The act made the local district magistrate an ex officio chairperson of the committee. As the district magistrate held from the majority community, it translated to a Hindu majority on the committee. The BTA was passed by the Bihar government to resolve a festering dispute between the Buddhist and Hindu side of the Bodhi temple for control over the same. Bodh Gaya was described as the Mecca of Buddhism and in many ways to popularize Buddhism in the West. So guys, this is today's video. Please like, comment, share and not for the primary YouTube channel for the more update and more video. Thanks for watching. We will tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.